Alright, language explorer. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So bazaar, bizarre, and blizzard. So a bazaar, like an outdoor marketplace. Outdoor market. People buy things in the bazaar. Yeah, bazaar. This is an old bazaar. This is an old bazaar. Yeah. There are all sorts of things for sale. For sale in the bazaar. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. You can buy all sorts in the bazaar. These bazaars are very unique. Yeah. I bought some beautiful chairs from the bazaar. Yeah. How cool is that? So bizarre, something strange and unusual. Strange. Here we are. There we are. Very good. Strange and unusual. Unusual. Strange. This is a bazaar trophy. Yeah. What a bizarre thing to say. Oh, bizarre. What a bizarre thing to say. He is always bizarre. He's always bizarre. I don't know why. How? Well, she thinks he says bizarre things all the time. So she thinks that he says bizarre things all the time. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? But then blizzard, a heavy snowstorm. So like snow and storm. Here we are. Storm, maybe. Let's try and get a picture of storm. Yeah, here we are. Yeah. Heavy snowstorm. With snow, yeah. There is a blizzard in the mountains. Yeah, we don't get blizzards. Oops. We don't get blizzards in this part of the UK. We don't get blizzards in this part of the UK. Yeah. Blizzards are rare. We don't see them here. Yeah. But blizzards blizzards are quite common in some parts of the world. Yeah, the snow and the very cold temperatures. Yeah, like here. Yeah. Every winter there are heavy blizzards. Yeah. Sometimes there are blizzards in January or February. Yeah. It depends on the weather. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, blizzard, cold weather, bizarre, strange, unusual, and bazaar. The bazaar, you can buy things in the bazaar. Bazaar, bizarre, and blizzard. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use bizarre, and blizzard in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian. English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.